everybody, and welcome to another episode of Recipe Roulette. Want to explain the rules of Recipe Roulette?
Yes. Recipe Roulette, we choose a cookbook at random, open it to a page at random, and we have to make whatever it says on that page. So tonight we're using Betty Crocker's International Cookbook, and the page that we chose was for roast chicken with spice yogurt.
Also known as Tandoori mugi.
Good pronunciation. So those of you who know me are thinking, Laura's making chicken? Well, sort of. We picked up some of the plant-based veggie chicken that you buy in the freezer section of the grocery store, and we modified it to work with that. So this is Tandoori veggie chicken.
Yeah. So we're going to go over the ingredients and show you how to put together the marinade for your vegetarian chicken. And then we're going to show you how to cook it up, because we are deviating from the recipe in the book because this chicken's kind of already pre-cooked, so we're not cooking it in the oven for as long. So this is a way to how to do it with the veggie chicken strips that you get at your local grocery store. So
let's look at the ingredients.
Let's look at the ingredients and put together that yogurt marinade. Okay, that's for me to sync up the video. Now I know where the video is going to be synced, so ready when you are.
Our ingredient list for the tandoori veggie chicken, we've got Morningstar chicken strips, little bit of water, about a half a teaspoon already in the bowl so it doesn't spill. Our herbs on our herb plate. Got a quarter teaspoon of dry mustard, about a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of cardamom, and a quarter teaspoon of ginger, cumin, red pepper flakes, and black pepper. And then I've got half a cup of unflavored yogurt, a quarter cup of lemon juice. This is right from a lemon. Of course, you can use the bottled lemon juice if you prefer. And minced garlic. It's 2 cloves right here. So to begin the marinade, I'm going to empty, before that, I'm going to combine the mustard and the water with a spoon to take out just the mustard. These nice earthy herbs and spices. It smells really amazing. I'm combining that together. Then I'm adding my veggie chicken strips. I'll be adding the yogurt. Get as much of that as possible here. The yogurt, the lemon juice, garlic, rest of my herbs and spices going in. And take a fork. It's all nice and marinated. Get all the chicken strips covered in this saucy deliciousness.
I'm amazed at how well Catsby is behaving with us having yogurt out.
That's true. He's probably asleep somewhere.
I think he's been napping on the couch.
Usually he comes running at the mention of yogurt or cheese.
I know, though he went after the cheesecake donut you had last night.
Yeah, he's ridiculous. Okay, so my veggie chicken is good in tandoori spiced. I don't know if that's really a word. Oh, I'm going to cover and refrigerate it for about 6 hours. So we'll see you back then.
And the longer you let it marinate, the more that flavor is going to infuse. We're just doing 6 hours because we're a little pressed on time. So, you want to usually do this for like 12 to 24 hours, but 6 will be okay. We hope.
Our veggie chickens been marinating for about 6 hours, and I had to tell you, when we took it out of the refrigerator, it smells amazing. So I'm going to put it into the skillet. Cook it according to the directions on your packet. Mine said on medium high for about 7.5 to 8.5 minutes. So yours might vary depending upon what package you have. And of course, if you're using actual meat, you're going to need to look this up in the actual recipe book, because those instructions are going to be different. Okay, so I've got now all my yogurt sauce and all my fake little chicken bits in there. Spread this out. And I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of water. Turn the burner on to medium high. Put my lid on so all of that stays inside. And I'm going to put my timer on for 8 minutes, right in the middle. We'll see you back for the first bite. So it's all done. And
it's all done.
Here we go for the first bite.
Alright, first bite. That is really good.
Really, really good.
Really, really good. Alright.
So we've added this together with just some white rice, some vegetables. Do you want to tell what was in the veggies?
I just made a little vindaloo sauce. It's just curry powder, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, about 2 tablespoons of molasses. And you basically, after you've sauteed your vegetables and you get ready to steam them, you just put that sauce in, give it a good stir so it's all mixed up. And then just let it sit until the veggies are all heated all the way through.
Oh, really nice.
Alright.
And you want to talk about this too?
Oh yeah. Donair sauce. I couldn't really be having, well, I know we're not going to eat all the chicken. We're going to have some tandoori chicken left over. So I figured I'd pick up some wraps. And we do like the leftovers of this. Would totally be great as a wrap and need some donair sauce.
So what is the donair sauce?
Donair sauce is a combination of sweetened condensed milk, garlic, pepper, and vinegar. It is, this version of donair sauce is the Maritime Canada style donair sauce. Other donair sauce, like the stuff they have for the donair at the German restaurant over in the Bywater, it's not the same. It's another creamy yogurty sauce that they make, but this one's nice and sweet and tasty, and it's really good on just about anything. Like anything you can think of, you'd want like a sweet and sour garlic sauce.
It smells really good. And this is going to be available in our upcoming sauce video. So be sure to subscribe, and so you'll get an upcoming link when that is available.
Yeah. And speaking of specials, because New Year's is right around the corner, we've got one episode left until New Year's. So for our New Year's episode this year, we have been filming a bunch of different drinks that we've had to go along with our meals for a drink special, but we need to have something at random out of a recipe book.
So we got the complete bartender's guide put together by Robin M. Feller.
Yeah. This is one of my volumes cookbooks.
So let's see what we're making to add to this.
Ooh, we got lots of options.
Yeah, we got a Prairie Fire, Preakness, Presbyterian, Presidente, Prince Edward.
Prince Edward? What's Prince Edward?
Prince Edward is Scotch, Lillet, and
Drambuca.
Drambuca.
Okay.
There's no K in that, it's like Drambuie.
Drambuie. Right, Drambuca is something completely different. Don't have that. We do have the stuff for Presbyterian.
What's in that?
Whiskey, club soda, and ginger ale.
So, what is it? Presbyterian?
Presbyterian.
Okay, so we'll make a Presbyterian to add to our drink special to give you inspiration for your New Year's Eve.
So, from everyone here at Recipe Roulette, Merry Christmas and enjoy.
Good night, everybody.
Peace. And goodwill to men.